Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS Home School. This is Sonia Khanjoya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morniship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an ICT class for the student of class 8 student. And our today's topic is chapter 2, question answer 7, 8, 9 discussion. Look at the board my dear student. This is class 8, subject ICT, topic chapter 2, question answer 7, 8, 9 discussion, lecture number 12 and homework number 10. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board my dear student. This is chapter 2, question answer 7, 8 and 9. Our first question, 7 number questions. Recommend a topology to creating a network for 10 computers and printer in your school and give logical reasons for your answer. Again I am saying these questions. Recommend a topology to creating a network for 10 computers and printer in your school and give logical reasons for your answer. Answer. If we want to connect 10 computers and a printer in our school, we have to make a topology with rational networking. For this star topology is convenient. One of the biggest advantages of using computer network is resource sharing, meaning printers and scanners attached with network can be used by all the computers within the network. So, if the network is created in our school for 10 computers and 1 printer, then all the 10 computers will be able to print from that one printer using the network. Individually 10 printer will not be needed for 10 computers. Thus, money will be saved and no problem will arise due to space allocation. As a result, here we can use star topology where the printer will be attached with the central computer. Here, the network is based on the central computer or the hub. So, it remains active as long as the hub is active. If any of the other computers are damaged, the network keeps working smoothly for the other computers. So, I recommend star topology for our school. So, my dear student, this is our question answer of question number 7. Now, next question, question number 8. Describe how a router works. Describe how a router works. Answer. The word router came from the Greek word route, which means path or way. It is an important device which is the combination of the both hardware and software. Router is used to routers on the internet. The main duty of a router is to direct data or information on the internet. If someone wants to send a photo via email to one of your friends living in America, the photo will reach the friend's computer, internet being divided into several data packets. Each data pack is attached with the destined address. Once our data reaches to our destination, the router then sends signal to the next data packet with directions of the next path or route. That would be easier and quicker to reach the destination. So this is our answer of question number 8. Now question number 9. Question number 9. State the process of transferring data through optical fiber. State the process of transferring data through optical fiber. Answer. Optical fiber is a kind of thin glass rod. Light signal is sent through the optical fiber as electrical signal is sent through electric wire. Here this light is called infrared light. Through this infrared light, light signal is sent through optical fiber. Firstly, electric signal is transformed into light signal. Then the light signal is sent through optical fiber. On the other hand, light signal is transferred to electric signal. In this way, signal can be sent through optical fiber. So my dear student, this is our 3 questions answer. Question number 7, question number 8 and question number 9. And my dear student, your homework number 10, homework number 10 and homework will question number 8. This is your homework. This question number is your homework. Okay, my dear student. Question number 8 will your homework. Describe how a router works. This question will your homework. Describe how a router works. Again, look at the board. Homework number 10, question 8 now will your homework. So my student, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. Will do your homework and keep stay at home. See you again inshallah.